We bring you the latest updates from the Pna Newsroom. The Health Department is already in talks with the manufacturers of the new generation COVID-19 vaccines, which is said to be more effective in combating the Omicron variant. In a media forum, DOH Officer in Charge Maria Rosario Vergeres said the new COVID-19 jobs would be evaluated based on the processes of the government. While waiting for the vaccines, Vergeres urged the public to avail of the booster shots for protection against the emerging COVID-19 Omicron variants. She said that the country may be able to get the vaccine by the first quarter of 2023. As of September 8, almost 72.7 million Filipinos have been fully vaccinated. More than 18.4 million have received their first booster doses, while more than 2.4 million have received their second booster shots. Hong Kong's first monkeypox case is not a Filipino, according to the Department of Health. DOH Officer in Charge Maria Rosario Vergeres said this is confirmed by the Ministry of Hong Kong. Vergeres said the patient also came from US and Canada prior to his arrival in the Philippines before traveling to Hong Kong. She also said that the Health Department already identified the close contacts of the said person and that none of them exhibited symptoms of monkeypox disease so far. To date, the DOH has confirmed 4 cases of monkeypox in the country, the latest of which is a 25-year-old Filipino who is still in isolation. She said the patient has no history of travel. 18 out of the 20 close contacts of the person are already done with their quarantine period. The other one has finished the self-monitoring period and the other one is currently with the patient in the isolation facility. The close contact will start the quarantine period once the patient is discharged.
So unang-una, itong nationality na to hindi pa kinumpirma sa atin ng International Health Regulation yung ating Ministry of Health ng Hong Kong. Ang binigay nilang datos sa atin, basta sinabi nila, it's a foreign national. Ngayon kanina, nabasa ko sa ating mga pahayagan na meron ng pangbanggit ng nationality nitong foreign national na to. Ang isa lang na pwede kong i-disclose sa inyo because I cannot give you kung ano yung nabasa lang natin sa dyaryo. Kailangan ma-confirm namin through an official report to us by the Ministry of Hong Kong. One thing that we can assure our Filipinos that hindi siya Pinoy, no? So hindi siya Pilipino. Nagdaan siya dito sa Pilipinas bago siya umuwi doon sa Hong Kong. So
The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency is working to increase the agency's conviction rate against drug personalities. Citing statistics of filed cases in court, PDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva said in 20 years, almost 500,000 drug-related cases have been filed in court. Of the number, 28% or 114,610 have been resolved. From 2020 to present, PDEA noted a total of 1,668 resolved cases, of which over 60% resulted in convictions. 27% were acquitted, while 13% were dismissed. PDEA attributed the increase in conviction rates to the introduction of the plea bargaining in drug cases. The National Privacy Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission have ordered telecom firms to cooperate on their ongoing investigation of smishing attacks on mobile phone subscribers. The NPC ordered Globe Telecom, Smart, and Dito Telecommunity to submit a comprehensive audit report on their respective distributor frameworks for SIM cards used in smishing messages. The Telcos must also report on all the mobile phone numbers involved in the smishing messages, their distributors, the individuals or entities where the numbers were disclosed, and other information helpful to the NTC. For its part, NTC instructed Telcos to further intensify their information campaign against personalized text scams. The NTC will meet with Telcos and government agencies, which include the NTC, the Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, the Philippine National Police, and the National Bureau of Investigation next week, September 13. Meantime, the Commission advises the public to report incidents of targeted smishing via email. The reopening of the economy and the resumption of face-to-face classes have contributed to the drop of the country's unemployment rate. Socioeconomic Planning Secretary Arsenio Balicasan said as more youth opted to return to face-to-face classes, those at home were also relieved from additional care work, allowing for more possibilities for them to be economically active. Data from the Philippine Statistics Authority showed unemployment slipped to 5.2% in July 2022 from 7.2% in the same period last year. Underemployment also declined from 21% in July 2021 to 13.8%, a drop of around 2.2 million underemployed Filipinos. Balisacan said NEDA expects more jobs and income opportunities available for Filipinos in the coming months. He called for further strengthening of the vaccination program to sustain low alert levels and reinvigorate domestic economic activity. And that's the latest and the biggest stories from the Pna Newsroom. I'm Marita Muaje. Thank you for watching and have a good day.